Hello. Not. What we got? It's a big mother. Shut your mouth. Oh, nice. Installation commissioning video. Let's do a size comparison real quick. Kobra 3 Max. A1. Whew. That's big. All right. Let's put this back on. Oh my gosh. So freaking big. Okay. Oh my gosh. Oh, that's freaking awesome. It's so big. It's so big. Let's set those here. Very, very good. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay, the biggest printer I've had is the Neptune 4 Plus. This is huge. Oh my gosh, it's so freaking huge. Okay, I'm about to set this on the floor. I don't know if it's going to fit on this table. Let's read the instructions first. Oh, I need some tools. Here's everything that's included with it out of the box. All right. Where did my snips go? There they are. Let's see here. I had to finish setting it up without recording because it got really hot in here. And I still got to build a table for it. There's not enough room for it. Oh, this thing is so massive. Oh, it's going to be awesome.